Plant. To the plant, see, there is a difference between boiling tube and a test tube. The smaller one, this is called as test. This is called as boiling tube. Boiling tube, generally we will use this boiling tube to measure boiling points and melting points. Right? Now we'll see. So what I am doing, I am taking this boiling tube. See, I am pouring some amount of HCl. Break this tube. Little amount.
Ma'am, in dilute acid, most to be present or in concentrated?
In concentrated. Concentration is the term itself is denoting the amount of solute is more. Dilute means we are diluting it. With water we will dilute. Right? So magnesium I have taken, and this magnesium, what I am doing is, observe this one clearly. It will launch it. Then see the one side. This side. You can move it. See, observe it. Magnesium I have taken, right? So this magnesium, I am putting this magnesium half. Right? See, magnesium putting in dilute. Can you see the bubbles coming out? Right? See, this is the gas which I am correcting now. The gas that is released here is hydrogen gas. Right? So how to prove that it is a hydrogen gas? It will burn the pops. That is why I asked you to put. See, one more time. All the gas is released. One more time.